Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Excuse me. Today I'm doing my Boxycharm premium unboxing. So just let's get into it. This theme is Harvest. Okay. This was my choice item. I got the Illamasqua Unveiled Artistry Palette. And it looks like this. Oops. It's pretty. A lot of neutrals, but there's some shimmery mattes on top, so let's see how. I'll just do 3. Do a couple of the shimmers. Ooh. And a matte. Ooh, pretty. Really nice. Let's see. And that retails for $50. Okay. I have my new dog in the kitchen with me. He's sleeping right now, so I don't want to wake him. Hold on a second. Okay, so the next thing that I got is this Grown Alchemist Detox Night Cream. Big package. They didn't need such a big thing. Here's what it looks like. Okay. So it says, this advanced detoxing night cream is formulated with a complex blend of peptides, echinacea, vitamins, hyaluronic acid, and essential omega fatty acids. They detox and regenerate the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, resulting in radiant and youthful looking skin. And that retails for $125. I better do all those things. Okay, next is Ilia Beauty with their Color Block High Impact Lipstick. I got the shade Rosette. Here's what the packaging looks like. There's the color there. That's really pretty. And that retails for $28. Okay. Next I have this Cosmetics Skincare Brush Set. Okay. Looks like one is a cleansing brush and the other one is a dual-sided silicone mask applicator. It says, take cleansing to the next level with this embossed brush designed for gentle exfoliation and effective deep pore cleansing. Plus, bring the spa experience home with a dual-sided silicone spatula that effortlessly and evenly distributes products across your face. Use it to apply cream, exfoliator, serum, or masks with ultimate precision and no mess. It's kind of interesting. Let's try that. And that set retails for $25. Okay. The next thing I got is the Real Her Lip Liner Duo. Let's see what mine is. Looks like it's a red and a nude. It's the Be Yourself, Be Real Her Deep Red and I Am Confident, which is a deep nude. Oh, I've been meaning to get some lip liner, so that's pretty cool. Okay, why aren't you opening? Okay. This is the nude. Ooh, that's nice. There's the color, the nude there. And then the red, which is Be Yourself, Be Real Her. Ooh, that's a pretty red. Those are really nice. Let's see, those, the duo retail for $25. That's pretty good. That's the red there. Okay, and the last thing I got is a Dose of Colors Block Party Single Eyeshadow in, I got the color Night Sky. I don't think everybody got the same color, but here's what the packaging looks like. Here's what the that, and I'll give you a swatch. Yeah, it's pretty. That retails for $25. For a single? No, oh, sorry. $20. I was looking at the one below it. 20, that's still weird. Did I just mess it now? Okay, it's still okay. Still, $20 for a single eyeshadow? That's kind of ridiculous, but whatever. I think that's it. But yeah, that's all. All I got in my box. I'll have the total listed up here. It was an okay box. I got lip liner that I was going to buy eventually anyway, so, I mean, not this brand, but the colors, so that's good. Didn't need another single, but that's okay. Didn't need another lipstick, but I've always wanted to try Ilia, and they're really expensive, so I'm happy to try that. I love getting skincare. Oops. I love getting skincare, so that's cool. Eyeshadow brushes, or not eyeshadow brushes, eyeshadow palettes. Love eyeshadow palettes, so not going to complain about that. I like trying new skincare brushes, or brushes in general, because who doesn't like brushes? So, yeah, it's an alright box. I'm not too mad at it. Kind of, I guess you could say I'm kind of disappointed, but it was an okay box. I mean, it's fine. So, anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Give us a thumbs up if you like unboxing videos. Subscribe if you have not. We'd love for you to join the fam. And click the bell if you'd like more notifications from me. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.